60-degree mark in a lot of spots today, but tomorrow we could be talking about the 70-degree mark in spots. The reason? Temperatures on the way up. It's all coming from the south and west. 65 on Friday, and even on Saturday, colder air eventually works its way in, but Saturday's still in the mid-50s, which is above where we should be. You can thank high pressure for that and that southwest wind, but watching the system down to the south, you see here some strong storms associated with it. We actually have some tornado watches up for parts of Tennessee, as well as it looks like Mississippi down through Louisiana, and that's till midnight or so. And then closer to home, we're just talking about pretty much clear skies, a couple of clouds moving in, and more clouds will filter in tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow's going to be a mostly cloudy type of day. Temperature-wise, in the 40s and 30s right now, and this is where they're going to hold overnight, I think. So it's not going to be too bad of a start to your morning tomorrow in terms of the temperature being so cold like it was this past morning. Winds, though, starting to pump out of the south and west. You can notice them along the coast up to about 25 miles an hour now in Plymouth and Boston. But tomorrow those winds are going to really pump, gusting to 50 miles an hour, sustained at about 30 miles an hour throughout the entire day. And because of that, we have that wind advisory in place for this whole area you see in tan, basically the east coast of Massachusetts, including southeastern Mass. So expecting those winds to really become steady and heavy from about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning on to about 9 o'clock tomorrow night. And in terms of that wind out of the south and west, well, that's going to warm our temps up into the upper 60s in Boston, a few mid 60s in Worcester. And look at that, 70 in Lawrence, Nashua, and Concord. And then down along the Cape and Islands, you'll stay in the upper 50s because you're still getting, with a southwest wind, that wind coming off the water. So unfortunately for you folks, not going to get as warm. You know, it's that time of year where that ocean water is still too cold. All right, and then the rain chances are on their way up on Thursday night into Friday. And Friday, it looks like we'll see some heavy rain as well as some thunderstorms. Here's how it all plays out. Notice by about Friday morning, a couple of heavy thunderstorms, especially I think in southeastern Mass. Be aware of that for your ride into work. And then a second round will file in on Friday night for that ride home from work, and then colder air is going to work its way in. We're looking for heavy rain and gusty winds and some thunderstorms to be the main threat from that. And then cold air is going to work its way in for Saturday into Sunday, all from this approaching Clipper system, and through overnight Sunday into first thing, or overnight Saturday into first thing Sunday morning, should I say, we could see some snow showers, maybe rain showers, switching to snow showers. Of course, it's very light in nature, not expecting much, if anything at all, in terms of accumulation, but it does usher in very cold air for Sunday. You're going to feel the difference when you step outside the door, and it's also going to be very windy. We're near record cold on Monday morning with overnight lows in the 20s and teens. That record is actually 17 in Boston. We could be pretty close to that, and watching another system for Tuesday that could bring us a chance for some rain or maybe even some snow.